Hey guys, so this is the last part in the strings series. Let's start with strings, and in this we are going to cover about format f string and format map a bit. Now if I use f here, okay, so now this is a formatted string. I will just write here as var3, var1, var2 and var4. I have to declare it here. You can see it is the same output using this. You don't need to write format. You can just simply pass the variables declared above here. Okay. So this is how dot format works. Now there is one more thing. We called it as dot format map. Now let's see what is the difference. Now let's see what is format map. So let me declare a dictionary. So what is dictionary? We will cover it in a lot detail later. Okay. It is basically a key value pair. So like here code, then we have another key here as num1. Okay, then we will write simply print here, and we will just dot format map and pass this di sample here. Okay, and just use two brackets. Sorry, oh. So format string contains positional fields. So what I have to do is simply I have passed the whole dictionary, creating a dictionary and passed it here. Now I can simply pass the variable that is keys here, and you can see it is as simple as that. So format map can take a dictionary and you will pass your keys into the print and it will simply print it for you. Okay, so this is how the format map works. So last topic in this string we are going to cover is string map, template string. Okay, so it is like from string import template. What is this? We are basically importing a particular module, like we are importing a particular function from a particular module. Like what is function, what is module, we will cover it in detail. So for the time being we are going to let you know what exactly is template. Okay, so for example, if t is equal to, I will write here template, and I will write here $C with $n. Okay, now t dot, I will substitute, what I will substitute is I will simply put C equal to code. Okay, I think I made a mistake. I have substitute C is equal to this, and I need to substitute n equal to, like this template string, this is the least used thing, means I haven't used it ever. Okay, so just I thought that I should tell you. So it is like simply like we can create a particular template. For example, if you want to create a mailing template or something like that, and then we can simply substitute this values like this. So where we can use this, like if you want to create an email template like this, hello, and write name, how are you doing, and your age is $age. Okay, so I can simply write this, hello num1, your age is So you can see it is like simply using format only, but like using a single template. Now we can create as many substitutes as we want with different values like this. So you can see, okay, so it is not a big issue. We can use print statement to print each and every line here. Okay, so this is nothing, just it is simply substituting one value for the another. Mostly you will be using format only, template. I haven't used template till now in my like 8 years or 8 years of career. Okay, now how do we delete a particular string? For example, if I create a particular string x is equal to this, oh sorry, okay, so if I print x, now you can see it is there. If I would delete x and print it again, name x is not defined. So this is how we delete a particular sort of object or string. So this concludes the string chapter, and if you have any queries or any doubts, or if I missed anything, I will try to cover it, but mostly like string has been covered 99% in Python, and this is what we all have in strings. Okay guys, so these are some questions for practice. You can take a screenshot of it or anything else, and if you have any doubt in these things, you can just leave a comment here, or you can Google it. You will be able to find everything. So what I have taught you till now in the strings, these questions will cover each and every part of it. You can simply solve all these questions using my video lecture only. So please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. The next topic which we are going to cover will be list, and also we are going to cover those lists in a lot detail. Okay guys, thank you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe Code with Naman. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Take care. So please friends, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos.